Your HP 250 G7 laptop battery dies too fast? I'll show you how to fix it in 10 minutes and save $100. But most people get stuck because they can't find all the hidden screws. We need to remove the DVD drive first. One screw holds it in place, then it slides right out, but skip this step and the case won't open properly. Now, remove these 3 obvious screws from the bottom cover. Pro tip: organize your screws as you go. Mixing these up during reassembly can damage your laptop. Here's where it gets tricky. See these innocent-looking rubber feet? 7 screws are hiding underneath them. So carefully pry off both rubber feet with a small screwdriver and keep them safe for reassembly. Be gentle so they don't tear. After you expose those hidden screws, remove all 7. Now, open the laptop and flip it back over for better access to the case edges. Insert a plastic spudger into the gap between the palm rest and base, then work your way around the edges to release the clips. Be extra careful near the USB ports. The plastic here breaks easily if you rush. If you feel resistance, don't force it. Wiggle the tool gently until each clip releases with that satisfying click. When all clips feel loose, carefully remove the bottom cover. Close the laptop and flip it over first to remove the base properly. Finally, there's the battery. 3 screws hold it in place. Remove them, tilt the battery up, and lift it out. For the replacement battery, I've linked the exact model you need in the description below. Installation is just the reverse of what we did. You just saved over $100. If this brought your laptop back to life, hit that like button and let me know in the comments how long your battery lasted before this fix.